I'm here at Harbor Freight, and I've got 5 minutes and $10 to find as many stocking stuffers as I can that any woodworker would like.
There he goes. Go! Go, 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 go! There he comes. It's not in a hurry. There he goes. How'd you do?
Almost went over, but I didn't.
How much did you spend?
$9.67.
Whoa, $9.67. Still under 5 minutes. All right, show me the bounty.
Okay, so we got some zip ties.
Nice.
Everyone loves zip ties.
Can never have too many zip ties.
Alright.
Yeah.
Got some scissors. These were 99 cents.
Everybody needs scissors. Yeah.
Multi-tool scissors.
You never know.
You got a portable light.
Oh, yeah. Very cool. Okay.
And then got some jute twine.
Ah, I always loved jute twine. Yeah.
And then we got a fire starter.
Oh, yeah. Always need a fire starter. These are great stocking stuffers.
And then we got a little
Yeah,
blade.
the razor blade. That's it?
That's the loot. That's the booty.
Cool. Good job.